A top 10 company on the ASX, Wesfarmers, WES, the owner of Bunnings, Kmart and Officeworks, reported 2020 financial year results. Here's what you need to know. The shift to working from home, coupled with economic stimulus to households, has put a firecracker under Bunnings, Officeworks and Catch sales. Now, this saw Wesfarmers' net profit after tax grow 8% to $2.1 billion, which was better than what the market was looking for. But if you take out discontinued operations, i.e. the Coles business, which it spun off, then you'd see its profit fell 69% to $1.7 billion. Now, this was under what the market expected. Wesfarmers' revenue grew 11% to $30.8 billion, with online sales roaring up 60% due to COVID-19. Its earnings, known as earnings before interest and tax, or EBIT, that fell ever so slightly to $2.9 billion overall. Now, that was in line with expectations, with Bunnings and Officeworks businesses driving revenue. On the flip side, Kmart earnings, as well as its industrial and chemical firms, saw earnings drag. What's key with this is Bunnings makes up the bulk of group earnings, and Bunnings' earnings grew 14% thanks to home renovations soaring to an all-time high. The $55 billion company declared a final dividend of 77 cents per share and a special dividend of 18 cents per share for the sale of Coles, taking the total full-year payout to $1.52 per share. What's important here is if you buy WES shares before the 25th of August, you'll be entitled to the upcoming 77 cent per share div payable on the 1st of October. Looking ahead, what to expect? Well, like many companies, Wesfarmers didn't give official guidance. However, it did warn that the coronavirus pandemic represents significant uncertainty for its operating environment. What this means is you could expect earnings to fall off their high base, particularly as stimulus unwinds early next year. For this reason, we saw UBS downgrade earnings before interest and tax for next year to now be $2.8 billion. After today's announcement, we saw WES shares scale to a new all-time high of $49.24. WES is a Goldman Sachs and UBS hold with price targets ranging from $39.50 to $42.